I will be cooking dinner at 5 o'clock this evening.
I will be cooking dinner at 5 o'clock this evening.
Will you be working at 8 o'clock tomorrow?
Will you be working at 8 o'clock tomorrow?
I will be lying on the beach tomorrow.
I will be lying on the beach tomorrow.
Amsterdam will be meeting us there.
Amsterdam will be meeting us there.
How long will you be staying?
How long will you be staying?
Sylvia will not be studying tomorrow.
Sylvia will not be studying tomorrow.
Will you be coming tonight?
Will you be coming tonight?
We will be arriving at 5.
We will be arriving at 5